Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandriya. Today's session will be learning how to use the snipping tool. I think in our day-to-day work, we have used the snipping tool. Go to start, SNIPPL snipping tool here. You can see this option. So usually we'll get this screenshot, right? Say new, you can get this entire one. I can select and we get the screenshot here, right? So you can go ahead and add some colors. And I need to highlight this row. You can go ahead and highlight this one, right? So this we usually use it, right? Can we record a session in this? That's we are trying to try here. Okay, we are taking the screenshot, but I want to record this thing what I am doing here. Okay, let's remove this color and remove these borders. Let's see we can try to record this session. Okay, so let's again go to the start snipping tool. Okay, so here you can see it is taking the snipping like a snap. It is taking here. So if there is one more option called here, if you go select this option, keep your cursor here, this will be your recording session record. So if you select this, see if you keep the cursor, it says record. Go to new. So once you new, we need to know like are you recording only this part or you entire screen. So let's say that I am going to record the entire screen. I'm going to drag it using the mouse, the entire screen. Okay, now I selected. So should you want to record your voice? If yes, then unmute your mic here. Okay, and start the session here. Start recording. Click start. So now 2 1. Now it start recording. So you want to say something, you can say this. So I'm going to highlight this color and I'm going to do the borders. Okay, let's move into the next tab, next file. So these are the files I'm going to click on it. Okay, and now it's 27 seconds. Let's 20 seconds. Let's stop the recording. Once you stop, this pop-up screen will be displayed for this snipping tool. So just click on start. So now you can see with my voice the recordings. So now you can see this is easily recorded. So let me know I need to know like where this file has been saved, right? To the right corner of this screenshot, you can see the three dots. Just click on it. Open screen recording folder. Click it. It will directly take you to the screen recording folder here. Okay, here it is saving. Okay, so you can open it here. The same file will be video will be reflecting here. It's trying to take time to load. See, it is working here. Okay, so this is the default it is taking. So I know I want to set the setting where I need to, let's say that I want this file not to be, I want to save it in desktop. So you can click here settings. Under settings, see here is the screenshot or to be saved. If you want to change it, just click on it and change the path where you want to. You can give a path, the files get to be shared. This is the default path where it will going to save. If you want a specific folder, you can change it here, or you can use the multiple options here. If you want to do anything, just you can add it here. So mic, microphone include, everything can add it here, right? I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other thing. I'll try to create a video on it. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.